Hey, what's up everyone? Today, I'm cracking open something that's caught my eye for its price tag. The HP True Wireless Headphones. Now, I know what you're thinking, HP makes earbuds? But stick around because honestly, these just might surprise you. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find the earbuds themselves, a compact charging case, a USB cable, and the usual user manual. First impressions? The build quality is honestly better than I expected. The earbuds are super lightweight and have a glossy finish that makes them look and feel a lot more premium than what you're probably picturing at this price. They're compact, minimalist, definitely something you wouldn't mind pulling out in public. But let's talk about what matters most, the sound. These guys come equipped with 10 dynamic drivers, so you're actually getting some punchy bass and crisp highs. I ran these through a few playlists, jumped onto a couple of calls, and even caught up on podcasts. And honestly, they handled everything pretty smoothly. For casual listening, daily commutes, or just zoning out at the gym, these more than get the job done. Battery life is another spot where these impress. You're looking at up to 22 hours total. That's 4 to 5 hours on a single charge and then a few more top-ups from the charging case. Plug in via USB, and the case is back to full in about an hour and a half. So if you're always on the go, you won't be left hanging. Now let's talk connectivity. Pairing is a breeze. Just open the case, and you're instantly connected through Bluetooth. With Bluetooth 5.0, you get a stable signal, lower latency for video and gaming, and a better range than older models. Plus, with touch controls you can play or pause music, take calls, or call up your voice assistant, all with a simple tap. So, real talk. Are these going to dethrone your AirPods Pro? Not quite. But for a fraction of the price, you're getting a sleek, reliable pair of wireless earbuds from a brand you know. They're perfect for students, casual listeners, gym sessions, or anyone who just wants good sound without breaking the bank. If you're thinking about picking these up, hit the link in the description to check them out. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you try these over your current earbuds? And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.